Hi, I'm Helen. Whether you've just finished a workout or you need a quick protein boost during the day, having healthy snacks on hand can make all the difference. So today we're going to show you 2 easy protein-packed recipes that are perfect for refueling and keeping your energy up. We're going to start with a high-protein peanut butter shake. It's creamy, it's satisfying, it's ready in minutes, and it's kind of really perfect for after exercise. And then we're going to make you a macadamia protein balls with homemade coconut butter. It's a great grab and go snack, keeps you fueled on those busy days. I love making shakes in the Thermomix because they are so quick, and really you can choose whatever ingredients you prefer. In this case, we are actually going to pop in some banana, about 150 grams of banana in total. But again, if you go a little bit over or a little bit under, it doesn't really matter. 1 banana in this case, it's about a medium banana, it's about 105. So we'll pop a little bit more of that banana in here, and you can freeze the rest for next time, or like I said before, pop it all in there now. Now for our peanut butter, you only need about 20 grams. And did you know that you can actually make your own peanut butter at home if you wanted to? You can control whether you want it smooth or crunchy as well. In goes our peanut butter. And now we want milk of choice. It could be your cow's milk, could be oat milk. Like I said, any milk you like. Some cacao protein powder, and again, you might want a vanilla flavored protein powder. So just use your own discretion and whatever you prefer. About 30 grams of that. And finally, some ice cubes, about 100 grams of ice cubes, because they're kind of like a cutting agent. It's going to help to blend this all down to a nice, smooth, thick shake consistency. Okay, we're going to press next. Now that all of our ingredients are in there, it's engaging our blend mode in our guided cooking here, and we're just going to press play because it's got 40 seconds and 10 on speed 10 already selected for us. Okay, all that's left now is to divide it amongst either 1 glass, big full glass, or 2 glasses if you're sharing. So that's our shakes done, first snack. Okay, now moving on to our macadamia protein balls with coconut butter. Again, a really simple, quick recipe. Now, I've already made the coconut butter. It really does take seconds. It takes only like your desiccated coconut and some coconut oil, and you blend that together, but you do need to scrape down and then go again a couple of times just to make sure it's really nice and smooth. And it's actually really versatile, so it makes more than you need. You can store it in a dark, cool place in your pantry. It doesn't need to be in the fridge. And use it in place of your peanut butters. You can use it as a spread in your curries or in your protein balls, which is what we're going to do. Now, to get to the step that we need, because I've already done the coconut butter, we go to step 4. We're just going to click or select that, press yes, and there we are at the step that we need. We want some macadamia nuts. Now, because they're going into balls, you can actually save some money by buying macadamia nuts, which are the bits rather than whole macadamia nuts. They make quite a difference in the cost at the shops. So we want 140 of that. We then want 40 grams of chia seeds. We've got the white chia seeds here. And we're just going to mill those 2 ingredients up together for about 10 seconds on speed 9. You can see that that's milled that beautifully, and it just needs a little scrape. Push all of those ingredients back down to the base before we move on. And we're going to add the remainder of our ingredients, which is the dates, some medjool pitted dates, about 160 grams of those, our natural vanilla extract, and finally our reserved coconut butter that you would have made first up, 50 grams of that. All right, now that just needs a little bit of combining for 15 seconds on speed 9. We still want to chop up the dates, hence why we've gone to that higher speed of 9. Great, so that's now combined. And look how beautifully that's come together. So it's released all of the oils there from the macadamia nuts as well by keeping some texture at the same time, and the coconut butter is what holds it together. Now all you're going to do is take small amounts. It makes about 24. And if you don't like the mess, then you can use some gloves, of course. You can get the kids involved if you've got kids around, or if not, look at that, super simple to do. Coconut as an option, as a coating. You can even use cacao powder as a coating, or chia seed. I'll show you what that looks like too. If you are a little bit particular and you want them all to be uniform in size, what you can do is actually decant everything you've got here onto a board and separate it into 24 pieces, and then you'll know that you've got enough for 24. But I'm a bit more of that, rustic style. Doesn't really bother me if they're all exactly the same. And there we go. So we'll just continue until we get more of those and fill up our plate. That's our protein snacks done. Both of these recipes are super easy to make. They store beautifully and they taste amazing. And you can even make the protein balls ahead for an even quicker snack option. So next time you need a post-workout boost or a healthy breakfast on the run, skip the cafe line and make these at home instead. They're quick, they're nourishing, and they're a great protein pick-me-up to keep your day strong. Make sure you hit like and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one.